issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Fayette County, Ohio, southwestern Pickaway County, northeastern Highland County, northwestern Ross County, until 4:30 p.m. At 3:59 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Greenfield, moving northeast at 20 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor hail damage to vehicles is possible. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Chillicothe, Greenfield, Good Hope, Frankfort, Clarksburg, South Salem, East Monroe, Andersonville, Latteville, Austin, and New Martinsburg. Here is a special weather statement.